Let's spend a perfect day in Yafo. We will grab some food, walk through charming streets, stop for coffee, and maybe even get a little lost, but only in the best way. Yafo is the grandfather of Tel Aviv, the old part of the city with thousands of years of history. People have been living here forever. We start at the Greek market. This area is about small boutiques, vintage stores and cafés where you could sit for hours. Once the heart of the local Greek community, today it's a place to do shopping or just to enjoy the easygoing vibe. Now we head to the clock tower, one of Yafo's most famous landmarks. It was built over 100 years ago with donations from the local community, both Arabs and Jews. Next stop is Abu Lafia Bakery. Everyone leaves this place with something warm in their hands. It's a part of the Jaffa experience. If you're not sure what to get, try a pita with za'atar. Let's stop at Zielinski & Rosen, a local perfume shop I keep coming back to. I always end up buying some nice perfume and body wash here. It's just one of those places I can't resist. Try different things and find little new favorites. And now, the flea market. This is Jaffa's playground. From vintage treasures to random finds spread out on blankets, the market stretches through alleys and courtyards. Loud, colorful, a little chaotic, and always fun to explore. I've put together a free PDF guide with all the stops and Google Maps pins. You can download it from the link on my YouTube profile. When it's time for a break, there's the picnic player. It's a nice small place with good coffee and a cozy vibe. You'll want to sit down for 10 minutes, and you will stay for an hour. Let's see the suspended orange tree, a giant clay pot floating in the air. It's an art piece, but also a playful reminder about Jaffa's citrus-growing past. Now we're at St. Peter's Church, one of the most striking landmarks in the old city. Its large facade and bell tower rise above Yafo, making it impossible to miss. I have to say the view outside really steals the show. From here you can take in all of Jaffa and the Tel Aviv coastline stretching out to the horizon. It's one of those spots where you just want to pause, soak it all in, and linger for a while. From there we wander through the old city. Narrow alleys, artist studios, hidden courtyards. Let's get lost for a while. Eventually, the path opens onto Jaffa Port, one of the oldest in the world. By now, it's time for lunch. Fish and chips by the water, fresh and simple. Or shawarma if you're in the mood for something different. Either way, food just tastes better here with the sea right beside you. Grab your plate and enjoy the view. And because no day is complete without dessert, we head back toward the flea market for kunafe. Sweet, cheesy, crispy, add some ice cream if you like. It's the perfect ending to a perfect day. So that was Yafo, a city where history, food, and atmosphere all come together by the sea. Subscribe for more.